Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In our previous video, we already saw how you can set up your WordPress account first time after installing it. Now it's time to install a new theme. So what is a theme? A theme is basically a layout. Whenever the user open your website, the user will see your theme. This is the basic theme which already came with the WordPress, that is the 2019 theme. This is not that much of, you can see this is such a boring theme, and this is the 2019 theme. So it is actually a layout which is already set up. You just need to modify it. You don't need to know any coding knowledge. If you don't have any knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootcamp, you can make a website with WordPress. So this is the best thing about WordPress. You don't need to know any coding knowledge. So you can go to this website like Theme Forest to see such awesome themes. Here you can download free theme as well as the premium themes also. So you can see these are the themes. Like, you can right click on it and you can see how the theme looks. This is cost around 29 rupees. Live preview. So this theme looks like this. This is awesome themes, but these are the paid themes. It is $29 for regular license. So here you can download all kind of premium themes. You can also search with your categories. Like if your website is e-commerce based, then you can just search for e-commerce themes, and these are the e-commerce themes. You can just click on any of it and check it how it looks. So this is a $49 theme, and let's see its preview, live preview, and this theme looks like this. This is also an awesome theme, but for now we don't want any paid themes. We want to install a free theme. So just go to your WordPress dashboard, click on this add new theme, then you can see there are lots of free themes available here. You don't need to pay any single penny from your pocket for this kind of themes. You can just click on this popular option. So you can see these first two are the default theme. These are the popular themes in WordPress. In the category of free themes, these are the popular themes. So first two are the default themes, so we will not consider these themes. But the first one is Ascension, the second one is OceanWP, and third one is Astra. These two themes are the best theme available in this market. But in OceanWP you can modify it somehow extra compared to the Astra theme. So we will install this OceanWP theme. So click on this install option, and it is installing. So it is already installed, and click on this activate option. Now you can see the OceanWP themes is activated, and it is saying that this theme recommend the following plugins: Elementor, Ocean Extra, and WP Form. So you have to install these plugins to control the OceanWP theme. So let's click on this begin installing plugins option. So now select this option, then click on this bulk action, then click on install and apply. It will install all these recommended plugins. So you can see all installation and activation have been completed. So return to the dashboard, click on it. So you can see welcome to the WP Forms. It is the intro of the plugin which we recently installed. So you can see these videos and tutorials. You can also upgrade to the pro version by paying $199 per year to get this PayPal, Stripe things. So let's check our website now. Now you can see it has nothing, but you can see this copyright owner is OceanWP. So the theme is successfully installed. Now let's delete all other themes which are already installed in our WordPress dashboard but not activate. So delete all these themes. So click on it and click on this delete option. Okay, click on it, delete. Okay, and last one. Okay, so we already installed the first theme and the recommended plugins such as these. What are those plugins? This Ocean Extra and WP Form Lite. So in our next video we will set up our website for the first time. Please subscribe this channel to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.